Welcome to Doofa. Getting started with ColorCalc. In this video I'm going to run through using the ColorCalc Doofa. I'll be working with an example Excel spreadsheet. I've made a backup copy of my spreadsheet and recommend that you do the same with yours. Right, I'll go to the Doofa menu and open up ColorCalc. As you can see, ColorCalc allows you to select cells of a particular colour to make calculations. This comes in very handy when you have a colour-coded spreadsheet like this one. Right, let's get started. You guessed it by clicking Start. I'll quickly talk you through my spreadsheet. It shows the number and value of contracts won by various sales team members. The details of each staff member are colour-coded. The text colour shows which team they belong to. The background colour shows the level of experience they have. ColorCalc can use this colour coding to find out all sorts of information quickly and easily. Let's see how. As with all doofas, at the top of ColorCalc you can see which stage you're at and you can navigate between these stages. At each stage, ColorCalc will talk you through what it needs to know. It starts by asking the kind of calculation you'd like to make. There are a number of options here. As you can see, ColorCalc is pretty clever. It can make a single calculation, or combine the results of two calculations in a number of ways. I'm going to keep things simple and just make a single calculation. ColorCalc will now ask what I would like it to do with the colours I select. There are a number of options here too. I'd like to find out the average number of sales made by the managers in my spreadsheet. So I'll select Find the mean average value. Then click Next to proceed to the next stage. Here I need to tell ColorCalc about my colour coding. Is it the text colour I want or the background colour? Remember, I'm looking for information about the managers, and the managers are colour coded using a yellow background. So I'll choose background colour. Then I'll click on one of the cells with a yellow background. Then click here to select the colour. The colour appears here. It doesn't matter which cell I choose as long as it contains the colour in question. If you change your mind, simply click another cell and click here to select. And on to the next stage. This is where you'll need to let ColorCalc know where to look for the colours you've selected. You may want ColorCalc to search the whole spreadsheet or just a section of it. In my example, I'm looking for the average number of contracts. So I want to select the area with the number of contracts. So I simply click and drag my mouse over the whole area where the information appears. Then click Select. It is also possible to select whole columns, rows, or even the whole sheet. If you make a mistake, simply click Clear, make your selection again, then click Select. Click Next to move on to the next stage. Here, Doofa is asking where you would like the results to appear. I'm going to put my results over here. So I click on the cell where I'd like the results to appear, then click Select. As before, if I make a mistake, I can click Clear and select again. And on to the final stage. Click Next. The final stage is the summary. This gives you a summary of what you have asked ColorCalc to do. It allows you to preview your results before ColorCalc works its magic. The summary table shows you the source, that's where ColorCalc will look for the colours, the colours you've selected, in this case a yellow background, what you've asked ColorCalc to do, in this case find the average, and you can preview the result. You can also click here to see where your results will appear. If you need to change anything, you can click Back, or use the top navigation to make any final changes. Then you're ready to go. Click Go and ColorCalc will paste the result into the spreadsheet. And kazam, here it is. I've talked through ColorCalc slowly to help you understand how it works. But once you've got the hang of it, you can do this quick as a flash. It's just so much quicker than calculating manually or writing complex formulas of your own. You'll also notice that if any figure changes in your spreadsheet, the results you have generated using ColorCalc will update too. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Over the next few months, we'll be releasing a variety of new help videos to show you what Doofa can do for you. For more help and information, or to give us your feedback, please go to doofa.com.